It's a 2018 Cadillac CTS Sedan. One look at this masterpiece sets the expectations high. One drive in this CTS and expectations are exceeded. It comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, UltraView Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, sport suspension, ultrasonic park assist, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. Experience it for yourself today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.